Unpacking the phrase, bag holder. What does it mean? Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that can be quite puzzling for learners. Bag holder. At first glance, it might conjure up images of someone holding a shopping bag. But in English, this phrase has a very specific meaning, especially in the context of finance and investing. So, let's unpack this phrase and understand all its nuances. Stay with us to become more fluent in using and understanding this expression. Initially, let's talk about the literal meaning of the words. A bag is a common object used to carry things, and a holder is someone or something that holds. So, quite literally, a bag holder could be anyone holding a bag. Simple, right? But in English, phrases often take on a figurative meaning beyond their literal interpretation. And that's what makes the language both challenging and fun. In the figurative sense, the term bag holder is a bit less straightforward. It's a term that has evolved to have a specific meaning in the world of finance and investing. A bag holder is an investor who holds onto a stock or other securities that have decreased in value until they are worth very little or nothing. It suggests that the investor is left holding a bag of worthless items. It's not a position anyone wants to be in, and the term often carries a sense of regret or loss. Now, let's look at how to use bag holder in a sentence. It's important to note that this phrase is somewhat informal and should be used in the appropriate context, usually among those familiar with investing jargon. For example, many people became bag holders after the tech bubble burst in the early 2000s. I don't want to be the bag holder when this stock's value plummets. There are several synonyms and related phrases you might hear that convey a similar meaning to bag holder. Some of these include left holding the bag. This means to be left with an unwelcome responsibility, often as a result of someone else's negligence. Stuck with the hot potato. Similar to left holding the bag, it refers to being stuck with a problem or situation that no one else wants. And that's a wrap on the phrase, bag holder. We've explored its literal meaning, its specific figurative meaning within the world of finance, how to use it in a sentence, and some related phrases. We hope this video has been informative and that you now feel confident using this phrase in the appropriate context. Remember, understanding such expressions is a great step towards fluency in English. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.